Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So today we are going to head on in and see what's happening with the Easter clearance. Let's go. Here we go, all the Easter stuff. Let's see what they got. All right, they are working on the Easter stuff, so I decided to come back here to the clearance section to see what's going on first. There's not a ton of stuff, but we do have some things here. Some soap for just 75 cents. Let's see. Lots of toys. So toys have really been going into clearance. Still a little too high than what I would like to purchase things for. This looks like a game. $9.49 here. Lots of Lightyear stuff. These looked interesting to me. These are pretty savvy bath fizzy calming, you know, whatever. They're 75 cents. It says they were $2.49. So that's actually kind of a good deal. Something I am halfway considering grabbing for the Santa shop thing. Some of these I showed the other day when we were here. This one was here. It's missing its toy. I got the other one for my son. $5.60 for that. Sometimes we have coupons for that kind of product. What is this? $10.19 for some weights. They're kind of heavy. So here's some Easter stuff here. $10.50 for like this little Happy Easter whole little kit thing. Got quite a few of them here. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Remember when I bought these last year for like $1? That's probably one that got missed somehow and was found and they just threw a tag on it. I wonder what it costs now. All right, some infant meds there. Let's see. We have a whole little Chelsea doctor kit there for $17.19. See, I would like to grab something like this, but I don't want to pay that much. Like maybe 10, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, here's another one of Easter little basket things for $12, as you can see up here. This whole box of diapers, it's really heavy. I'd pull it down. It's like 12 something here. But it's just damaged. There's nothing wrong with the diapers inside, I guarantee it. So always come to your clearance and see what you can find. You know, it's funny, I have been to different stores and sometimes it's all in one spot, sometimes it's throughout the store, but mine tends to all be back here and there's little sections where like there's cold food and things like that that are clearanced. Oh goodness. That might be good. Save some stuff to it. Anyway, let me know what you think. Have you ever found something absolutely amazing on clearance before? Let me know. So I also noticed they have some like clearance clothes back here, and they have clearance anywhere from 40 to 70% off. Check your tags here. Like this cute little baby outfits, 50% off. This Mickey Mouse, oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. I wish I had a kid that could fit into this. It's 70% off at almost $10. Minnie Mouse as well, that's also so stinking cute, is also 70% off. So we've got some pretty good things. I haven't checked everything. These look like they're full price, but we had a little bit of clearance here. All these little baby outfits here, oh my gosh. I mean, seriously, they are adorable. I need a baby to dress. Oh, my babies are all big. 10, yeah, so all these look like they're all like $10, but you may want to look and see if you can find them because they're super cute. So right now my Kroger's actually like reorganizing the shelves from all the Easter stuff. Obviously they're going to put it on clearance. I did scan the candy here and it is ringing up 50% off. Like these are $1.89, normally $3.79. These were like 59 cents, normally $1.19. So it looks like all the candy is 50% off, which was what I suspected. I'm gonna have to try to find some of the decor items, stuff like that. I think that should be like 70% off, so we'll have to see. So over here we have these home Holiday Home Micro Plush Throws. They look like they're on sale for like, or they're regularly priced $19. They're showing just $6 when I scan them, which means, I don't even know, I want to say 70 or 75% off on that. I'd have to do the math. But anyway, these are really the only things I can find. At first I was looking at this, but these don't look like these are Easter. They're just home designs, but these are actually holiday ones. Yeah, so it looks like candy is 50% off, and then we have, if you can find any of the other decor or anything, it looks like it's like 70-ish% off. I'll try to do the math and put it up here for you. But yeah, it looks like we've got tons of candy, but whatever they do with the decor, it's like gone. So one thing to take note of is do scan. So like these are $1.99. They're normally $3.99. We have these are half off. I've got a bunch of screenshots of the prices. This one, however, even though it's $2.50, that's what it's showing right now. It's not ringing up half off, but this one is. So you may want to double check and ring these up. These lint ones are not ringing up 50% off. They might fix it at the register, but just make sure you're aware of that. So I finally did find all of the decor and Easter stuff. I actually grabbed this one that you see here. It was the only one left. It was a dash, but everything is 70% off, just like I suspected it would be as far as any kind of Easter extras. Candy's only 50% off, but all of these other things are going to be 70% off. So it's a great time to buy your egg dye for next year or any other little things you might have. As you can tell, my store is extremely picked over. I actually do live in an area where it's very, very popular. Lots of people go through my store, so it's not a surprise that not much is left. But if you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up and make sure you share it with a friend. Have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.